And today I wanted to share a quick tool tip that I've been using for a while that may actually save you a few bucks and make your woodworking projects look a little bit better. So you see the cracks that I have here in this one project that I worked on yesterday, or not cracks, but the gap. Well, instead of going out to Home Depot or Lowe's and buying regular wood putty, don't do that. So, wood putty usually has that kind of tannish sort of color, and it may not match the type of lumber that you're using for your project. All you got to do is put some wood glue in that gap, as you can see what I'm doing right now. And you want to make sure you really get the glue inside of the gap. Get a lot of it in there to make sure it's all filled up. And then run your sander, I prefer an orbital sander, right on top of it. And as you can see in my video here, this sand dust or sawdust from the sander is just mixing up with that glue all by itself and filling up that gap. As easy as that. And remember that I told you about the color of regular wood putty from the store? Well, you're using the sawdust that's from the actual lumber being used on a project here. So the color match is perfect. It came from the specific lumber right then and there. So you just can't go wrong with it. And yeah, I do this with all my projects, and I think it looks pretty good, and this saves you a bunch of money in the long run. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this woodworking tip, and as the season progresses for Christmas, and I'll be making a bunch of woodworking presents for folks, I'll try to share some more as I go on. Thanks for watching.